Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART inquiries for online yoga and meditation. So let's suppose I am running an online yoga center and I am receiving many leads and inquiries on my IndiaMART. Now I want to send automated follow-ups to all these leads, and as I completely want to automate this process, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp Cloud API. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART from where I will receive new lead or the inquiry, and this complete workflow here will get triggered. And then in my action application, I am going to take WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of which I am going to send the message. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads for yoga and meditation. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, you need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. So this has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, we want to create a new workflow, for which we need to click on this create workflow, and first we need to provide the workflow name, after which we need to select the folder in which we want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for online yoga and meditation. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this IndiaMART automations, and then I have to click on this create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So this trigger says when this happens, and this action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Now here in this workflow, I want to send WhatsApp message to my IndiaMART leads and inquiries. This means whenever a new lead or the inquiry will be generated, a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead automatically, which means whenever a new lead will be generated, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So whenever IndiaMART lead or the inquiry is generated and then action says do this, then we want to send WhatsApp message to that inquiry. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new leads. Now I have to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART account, or this is the seller's dashboard of IndiaMART. Now on the left hand side where we can see all the options, here we have to click on this lead manager, and then we have to click on this three dots where we will be able to find this import export leads, and then we have to click on this push API. Now under this page, we have to select the source, and from this drop down you can select any of the source. As I want to select this as other, and then I have to enter the CRM platform name and then the webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So here first I will enter the CRM platform name, and my CRM platform name is Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter this webhook listener URL. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. Now I have to click on this save details, and then I have to select the option that why I want to connect my Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART. So in this drop down I can see all the reasons. Here I simply want to select this as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. You can select according to your choice and preference, and then you have to click on this click to generate OTP. Now here I have received the OTP on my number, and after entering this I have to click on this submit. So this webhook URL is successfully been added in my IndiaMART, which I was provided here in my Pabbly Connect. And now if I scroll down, I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to send a query from a profile. And as I have created a profile on IndiaMART, I am going to send a test query from that profile to my business, and if Pabbly Connect capture that response, this means the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL, that connection is successful. So now let's open my profile in incognito mode. So here I have opened my profile, and over here you can see the name of the lead. Then you can see the mobile number. Over here my email address is latest@pabblytudes.com. Then the address is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and then the company name is Latest Company. Now I need to send the query, for which I need to search for my business. And then after searching for my business, I have to send the query, for which I need to click on this contact supplier. Now this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter my query. So here I have entered my query. Hi, I am interested in your online yoga and meditation services. Could you provide more details on the types of session you offer and how I can get started? Now after writing this query, I simply have to click on the submit, and as this GST number field is not a required field, I am going to skip this for now and then click on the submit. So I have successfully submitted my inquiry to my business, and now Pabbly Connect should capture that. So let's open my Pabbly Connect, and here I can see that I have instantly received the response. The status is success. I have received the unique query ID, and this query ID will be unique for every query that will be generated. And then I have received the response subject, and then I have received the sender state, which was Madhya Pradesh. The sender name was this. Then I have received the mobile number and the email address, which was latest@pabblytudes.com. Then the country is India, the company name is Latest Company, city is Bhopal, and the address is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Then I have also received the other details. Now here the product name is Pabbly Connect free demo available, and then I have received the query message. Now this is the same exact query which I have sent from my profile to my business. Hi, I am interested in your online yoga and meditation services. Could you provide more details on the types of sessions you offer and how I can get started? Now that I have received all the details and the query in Pabbly Connect, this shows that the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART, it is successful. And now whenever someone will send the query, I will start receiving that query here in my Pabbly Connect. Now, whenever I receive a new query, I want to send WhatsApp message to that lead. So here in my action step, I am going to take my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. And then in my action event, I am going to take this send template message. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the token, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. So now to get this, let's open my WhatsApp Cloud API. So this is the app dashboard of Meta for developers, and you can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. And when this dashboard appear on the top right corner, you will be able to find this my apps. So we will open this, and then I am going to click on this Cloud API. After that, this page will appear, and on the left hand side I can see this WhatsApp option. So I will open this, and then I have to go to this API setup. Now when we open this API setup, we are provided with the access token, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. And now that we have all the details, we simply need to copy all these details and paste that in my Pabbly Connect. So let's copy this access token, paste that over here, and then we have to enter the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So now after entering all these details, I simply have to click on the save. So WhatsApp Cloud API is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is template name. So to enter this, let's open my API setup again. And then over here I can see this to send a test message. Copy this command, paste it into terminal and press enter. To create your own message template, click here. So I am going to click on this hyperlink given over here. And then this message templates section has appeared in front of me, where I can see all the templates that have been created. Now if you want to create a new template, you simply have to click on this create template, and then you have to select the option, after which you have to click on this next, and then you simply have to name this template, and then you have to draft the message in a way that you want to send, and then you have to provide the custom variable over here, and then you have to simply choose the language and then click on the submit for review. So in this way you will be able to create a new template. And now as I've already created a template by the name yoga meditation, so let's open this. And here this is my message, hello demo. So this is the custom variable that I have provided for the name of the lead, and this will keep changing whenever I will receive a new lead or the new inquiry with the name of that lead. Now over here I have written hello demo, thank you for your interest in our online yoga and meditation sessions through IndiaMART. We specialize in offering personalized online yoga and meditation sessions that cater to your specific needs. Then I have provided our certified instructors provide guided sessions focusing on mental clarity. Now we would love to know more about your specific interest and goals. Feel free to reply here and we'll be happy to assist you further. Thanks, best regards. So this is the same message template that I want to send to that lead or that inquiry. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down, my name of the template was yoga and meditation, so I am going to select that. Now it has automatically detected the language code and then the template ID, and now I just have to enter the mobile number and then the body field. So over here I need to provide the custom variable that I have added in my template. So over here I'm not going to enter these details manually. Instead I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So here, as we have received the response from IndiaMART, I'm going to map that same response, and when I click on this recipient mobile number, I can see this IndiaMART, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I have received from my IndiaMART. So here I have entered my phone number, and then I have to enter the body field. So here the body field is the name of the lead that I have added as a custom variable in my template. So over here this is the name of the lead, so I am going to select this. So I have successfully mapped the name and the phone number. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Now over here if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after adding my mobile number and my name, I am going to click on the save and send test request. So here I have received the response, the status is accepted. Now I need to open my phone number and check whether I have received this message there or not. So here I have successfully received the same message that I have created as a template in my WhatsApp Cloud API, and over here you can see that this custom variable that we have added has been replaced with the name of the lead. Now hello, and then the name of the lead. Thank you for your interest in our online yoga and meditation session through IndiaMART, and this is the same message template. So here is how we instantly and automatically send the WhatsApp message to our leads and the inquiries that we have received through IndiaMART, and this is how that you can automate the process. Now to summarize, we took IndiaMART as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. Then we submitted a test query from my profile to my business and then received that response in Pabbly Connect, and this showed us that the connection that we have created is successful. And then we moved to the next step where we wanted to send the message to that query. So then we took WhatsApp Cloud API where we made connection with Pabbly Connect and then entered the template name. We mapped the phone number and the name of that lead, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as this message being sent to my number or the number of that lead. So we have successfully created automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.